So guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be making a rolling jig, like a giant trolley basically, for my S15. So a couple of bits we got here: casters, all of them which are braked, and a few bits and pieces to get ready. So let's get into it. Right, I found another bit that's 1.2 meters long, so I wanted to cut him. Next corner. Okay guys, here she is. So that'll do. So guys, that's the first part of this video done. The next bit is to strip my S15. So let's get in the garage and get to it. that is everything that I can take out of the interior. There is absolutely, and the exterior. It's fully stripped now, hollow pedals out. This dash bar is normally removable, but when Huxley done the cage, I've had him tied in. So it's just extra bracing. So that's it, other than a few nuts and bolts. That is us ready to go. The only thing we need to do now is take everything off under the shell. So front rear subframes, suspension and everything associated with making it rolling. So jack the back up and we'll start the rear. Guys, what I'm going to do now is take all the arms off the subframe and then obviously the rear shock, and then that will make the subframe lighter for me. So I could drop, it's only 4 bolts and 2 on these and it'll drop down, but I'll have an issue then trying to drag all of this out and move it, so I'd rather split it all down just to make it lighter and easier for myself. As these are a bit stubborn and I haven't got power tools, I'll jump ahead and show you when I've disassembled all this. Okay guys, that's both sides off. As you can see, it's just the subframe on. I've took all the 4 bolts out. There's one side of the assembly. So I'm going to try and hit that with the rubber mallet now, drop him down. I'm going to put a tyre there just so it doesn't crash onto the floor. Nightmare. There she is. Pull her out. It is stuck on the okay. And I don't know if you can see, guys. I had this powder coated 10 years ago. And it's still awesome. So I love the powder coating. Take it a bit closer so you can see. Still good. Long time ago. Right, these, I'm not going to be running these solid bushes when I put it back together, because they're an absolute nightmare to get it off the pins. Hey guys, that's her on the pallet. Let's have a look. So everything's pretty much out. A couple of little riv nuts there, but there's nothing really to remove. But as you can see, she's all gutted. There's nothing, I think I mentioned earlier, that's welded in the dash bar. But other than that, that's it. We have a bare shell. So that's how she's looking now. My pallet. It's got a little bit of a bow to it, but hopefully it doesn't collapse. So we'll be in trouble if it does. So guys, that's it for this video. And the next time you'll be seeing this thing, it'll be looking very different. So I'm excited to show you that. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.